Hi my loves, I'm Felicia and welcome back to Felicia Marie TV. Today's video is a fall winter thrift haul in collaboration with one of my favorite fellow YouTubers and fashion bloggers, Lynnie. Lynnie is another brown skinned, beautiful chocolate Haitian girl, and she has just the most beautiful, bright and shining personality. So every time I watch one of her videos, whether it's a thrift haul or a wig try on or just an advice video, I can just always see that she is putting forth her genuine, quirky, fun personality, and that's what makes her videos so much fun to watch. She is one of my favorite creators on YouTube. She's a person that when a new video comes out, I click right on it. And I want you guys to go watch her thrift haul after you watch my thrift haul, because Lynnie is a thrifting queen, okay? When she finds something, she knows how to hunt. She knows how to find something, and when she picks it out, you think like, I don't know how that's gonna look. Lynnie puts it on and slays it. She is a thrifting queen, okay? She knows what she's doing. She's got years of experience. I'm going to give you guys a little secret sneak peek of Lynnie's thrift haul. I'm sure you're going to love it because, like I said, she's a thrifting queen. Roll the clips.
Moving into turtlenecks, and how do I say this? Well, let's just say that I went to Salvation Army and, they had some really nice stuff. And so I figured, why leave it for somebody else to come and take it when I can take it home and slay it myself?
Okay, you guys, so this first piece I'm going to show you is from the Salvation Army. It was $9.99, but I got it for half price. I love this dress because, first of all, it's a wrap dress, so I can tuck it however I want to wear it on either my left or right side. But I really love it because it's a very old-fashioned twist on the modern blazer dress. The modern blazer dresses we're seeing are more fitted and they're more of a mini fit, but I really like this one because it's appropriate for the office, and I feel like it's the perfect fall-winter staple for your work wardrobe. I feel like layered with a really pop of color coat, like a red coat, a cute belt, a top handle bag, and some stiletto shoes. That's a whole work outfits look. Like, I can honestly see this in such a corporate setting where you're just like, yes, I'm best dressed in the office. I'm definitely gonna style this up on my blog for you guys soon because it's just so perfect. It's a very 80s piece, but it's still modern. I don't know how they manage it with thrifted stuff. It still looks modern. Okay guys, so next up I have this men's parka. As you guys know, I am not afraid to shop in every single section when I'm thrift shopping. I go to the men's, I go to the women's, I go to the kids section. I'm in every single place because I know there are hidden treasures. And I found this hidden treasure at the Salvation Army, and you guys, when I tell you I got this for a deal, it was $4. It's so warm. It's got multiple layers. It's got a fleece layer on the inside, and then the outside is canvas. And oh my gosh, when I tell you this thing is so warm, I'm sweating right now. And I needed more coats because Florida is starting to get seasons. Like right now it's October and it's getting down to 50 degrees, which is very unlike Florida. So I'm really glad I'm finding more coats at my thrift stores. Yes, this is a men's coat, but honestly, I can pair it with like a really good pop of color belt and it's gonna look so cute. Like, I feel like if I saw this really gorgeous belt on Etsy. It's a little bit pricey, but I'm probably going to get it because it would look really good with this. It's a bright red patent leather belt, and I feel like just belted around my tiny waistline, it would look so freaking cute. Looks coming to my blog soon, you guys. Just go ahead and subscribe to my newsletter so you can see my blog posts. Okay, you guys, so next up I got a white denim jacket. I've been keeping my eye out at thrift stores for denim jackets because I seriously do not want to pay $45 for a denim jacket. And my friend Lynnie, who I'm collabing with, gave me the advice to keep an eye out at thrift stores because you can always find good oversized denim jackets, good crop denim jackets. She's like, it's the place to go for denim jackets because they're so much more affordable. Like I said, at most retail stores, H&M, Forever 21, Nordstrom, stuff like that, you're going to pay between $45, $80, maybe even $100 for a denim jacket. But guess what, you guys? This denim jacket was $4.99 and I got it for half off. Yes! You guys, this is such a deal. I will tell you more about the Salvation Army sale at the end of the video, but basically once a month they have a massive sale and I'm going to be going every single month. This is a white denim jacket from Old Navy, so you know it was a little bit more expensive. And what I like about this is how stiff and firm it is. It's still like a soft fabric, but it's very sturdy and actually very warm. And I love white denim. As much as I can't keep it clean, I love buying it. I think this would be a really cute look with a mini sweater dress. I have a burnt orange mini sweater dress that would look perfect with this. Oh, I'm just putting together so many looks. I am loving this haul so far. Okay, you guys, so next up I got this oversized men's shirt. This is a extra large 100% cotton men's shirt. It's light blue with white grids. I'm not sure if you can see that on it, but as soon as I saw this, I knew it was going to be a piece that I was going to transform. I'm always scrolling Pinterest and I saw a girl DIY'd a men's shirt and she made it a crop blouse and a mini skirt and I loved it. So I'm going to recreate that on my channel soon. Make sure you subscribe so you can see that video coming up. I just love a piece that I can transform, so I scooped up a couple of men's shirts. They were $1 or $2 a piece. You guys, if you're shopping for your man, go to Salvation Army. Okay guys, so these are the other men's shirts I got. This one is maroon, another 100% cotton piece. I've been really making a point to buy quality pieces, whether it's from retail stores or thrift stores. This one is really cute and sturdy. It's another 100% cotton shirt. It's from a brand called Gold Label, Roundtree and York. I'm assuming it's kind of expensive because it's heavy duty quality. I'm really liking these men's shirts. This one's a little shorter than the blue one I'm currently wearing, so I might not turn it into a two-piece set, but who doesn't need a good oversized button down? It can be tied into anything. It can be made into a skirt. It's a really good thrift DIY piece. This next men's shirt I got is from Joss A Bank. It's 100% cotton denim chambray shirt. It's a medium, and I really think this is going to look so cute tucked into a white skirt. I can really see this paired with like a white pencil skirt or a white high-waist skirt. I can see it with white. I can see it looking very cute. But of course, it's going to go with 101 other things. And I got this for $1 at Salvation Army. And then I got another denim shirt. This is a woman's denim shirt. And I like this one because it kind of has like a granny print on it. It's embroidered flowers. I love flowers. And I just thought it was a really cute, quirky shirt that I could pair with just plain jeans if I want to, or a mini skirt, and just, you know, like a cool weekend look. It's a very 90s piece. That's what I really love about it. So 90s. And it's 100% cotton. I'm really going for quality this year, guys. One of my new resolutions is to purchase quality clothing and not just cheap fabrics. Okay guys, so next up I purchased this orange short sleeve top with a high collar. Such a 90s style. I actually think I remember Rachel or Monica in Friends wearing a shirt very similar to this. You guys know I love this burnt orange color on my skin tone, so as soon as I saw it in the Salvation Army, I just scooped it right up. I think this is going to be really cute paired with some high-waist pants for work or a cute little pencil skirt. This is a work appropriate top, and I'm realizing that I have so many crop tops that I'm now forcing myself to buy work appropriate tops. So as soon as I saw this one, I was like, yep, that's for work. Scoop it up, throw it in my cart. You guys, it's simple, it's cute, it's business casual, and it's 90s, which is the best era, right guys? It's the best. 90s babies, shout out. Speaking of beautiful orange colors, I got this adorable peach turtleneck sweater. As you guys know, I'm always thrifting sweaters because they're always very cheap at thrift stores, and when don't you need a good sweater? I mean, seriously, the cold months of the year take up like half the year. Fall and winter is cold all the time, and it's even cold into spring, so like, you need sweaters. I need sweaters. I just counted all my sweaters in my closet and I now have 26, which is kind of crazy, but I'm trying to just get like so many that I just have a rainbow of sweaters and options to choose from whenever I need them. This one is 100% cotton and I got it for $2. It was half off. I know you guys are going to get sick of me saying 100% cotton, 100% wool, silk, so on and so forth, but I want to make a point to say that you can afford good quality clothing on a budget. I used to be of the mindset that I can only afford polyester, which is bad for the earth, bad for my closet, just bad in general. And then I was like, oh, I can go to thrift stores or I can just bargain shop and find very good quality fabrics and good quality clothing and things that are good for the earth without breaking my bank. Okay guys, so next up I have this adorable green corduroy skirt. Corduroy is so 90s. I remember I used to hate corduroy so much, and my mom had these brown corduroy pants that she used to always make me wear because she got them at the Gap and they were expensive, so she used to make me wear them all the time. And now I've gone full circle and I'm in love with corduroy. I really love this green color because it's a color that I wouldn't usually wear, but I feel like against a bright color like this peach I'm wearing now, it just really pops and looks good. It is a few sizes too big for me. It's a medium and I'm usually an extra small, so I am going to have it altered, or I'm going to put an elastic band in the back. But you guys, it's a corduroy knee length skirt and I think it's cute for work, but it can also be cute for casual settings. However you want to wear it, it can really be versatile. And this green color is so weird and awkward, and it's not something I would usually wear, but it turned out really cute. You really have to venture out when it comes to thrifting, because you might say like, oh, that's not my style, and then you try it on and it is your style. And that's something I learned from my blogger buddy Lynnie, because there's certain things that I wouldn't try, there's certain styles that I wouldn't try until I saw her wear something and I was like, oh, okay, Lynnie, I see you stunting on the gram. I'm going to try that too. Like, really having blogger friends has been really inspirational to me, but Lynnie is specifically one of my favorites. Okay guys, so next up I have this high waist midi skirt. It can be worn high waist or low waist, but I'm wearing it high up on the waist to show you guys. It has pockets, which is so awesome. I love going thrifting because a lot of vintage pieces have pockets, which means I get more dresses and skirts with pockets now. This is another piece I got with inspiration from Lynnie. She wears a lot of midi skirts and a lot of things with high waist, and honestly, it made me venture out. What's so funny is Lynnie hates the color pink, so she might actually hate this piece, but it's cute and I love it. It goes down to just above my ankle, so I would definitely wear it with either some wraparound heels or some very cute wedges and a simple blouse, or ooh, it would even look cute with an off the shoulder short sleeve blouse. Oh, it would look so cute. So yeah, you guys, this was $7.99 and I got it for half off at Salvation Army. I just think it's simple, cute. It's a little sheer, but not sheer enough to show your behind through, and I really like it because it's got a very vintage feel. It's kind of 50s, 60s style. I really like it. So this is a wrap plaid skirt. I know you guys are sick of seeing plaid, but honestly, it's like the most trending thing this season and I'm so in love with it. So this skirt buttons in 2 different spots to wrap around your waist. And yes, it's a little big for me, but I'm gonna get it altered, don't worry. I just really like the fit of it, and I like that it doesn't have a specific waistband, so I could wear it to the front like this with the little panel showing. I could wear the panel to the side. I could switch it around and see how I like to wear it, and I just love how versatile it is. It's a knee-length skirt once again, so it can be worn to work or it could be worn on a casual day. This really reminds me of Catholic school uniforms, so there's just a billion and one different ways I can style it, and I really love it. It's cute. It reminds me of Christmas, wintertime, uniforms. It's just a little bit of everything. Okay, you guys, so I got some dark green velvet pants and they are too big for me. I think I had a plan to transform them, but I just can't remember what my plan was yet. So I'm gonna hang this up in the closet and wait for creativity to come towards me. Maybe I was gonna make a crop top. I don't remember what I was going to transform this piece into, but it's just a piece that you can't pass up at the thrift store. It's a great fabric, it's a great color, and even though it's a little oversized on me, I'm sure I can turn this into something beautiful. Comment down below what you think I should transform this into. I don't do a lot of sewing, but I'll make something work. Okay, you guys, and last but not least, I got these fabulous corduroy bell bottoms from the little boys section. You guys, shop in every section. Do not skip out at your thrift store. There are hidden treasures in every single corner of your thrift store. So I got this from the little boys section. Super cute. Look at those curves. Little boy wear. Curvy. Hey. You guys, these pants are so cute and I'm definitely going to wear them to work. I think this would be a really cute look with a deep V blouse, so I'm going to wear it to work and I'm going to wear it to out of work functions. They're just so simple, cute, very 70s, and I got them for a deal. They were $7 and I got them half off. Alrighty, you guys, that wraps my fall winter thrift haul. Please comment down below what your favorite piece was and how I should transform some of my favorite pieces. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and turn on your post notifications. I will be uploading a new thrift video every single month now. My local Salvation Army does a sale the first Saturday of every month where you can fill a bag and you pay $1 per pound of clothing. $1 per pound of clothing, you guys. That is the steeliest steal I've ever heard of. So call your local Salvation Army, find out if they do that sale too. I'll be participating every single month. That's where you can find me the first Saturday of every month, and you'll be getting a new haul because of it. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, and follow me on social media. I am at Felicia Marie TV on Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, and Twitter. And make sure you check out my blog, FeliciaMarieDaily.com. Thank you so much for watching. Check out Lynnie's video and have a beautiful day.